Alright, today I'm going to talk about completing a square when the coefficient of x squared is not positive 1 there. Okay, here if you notice, the coefficient of x squared is actually negative 1. Okay, coefficient is a number before x squared. So here the coefficient of x squared is negative 1. So the coefficient of x squared is negative 1, but the method that I taught you all, divide by 2 square copy, only works right when the coefficient of x squared is positive 1. So what I have to do here is we have to artificially create the positive 1. So what I do here is first I will factorize negative 1 to give me x squared plus 10x minus 3. So you notice what I've done here is I just factorize negative 1. If you put in the negative 1 back, it will be negative x squared minus 10x plus 3. So what I've done here, I factorize out the negative 1. Then once the negative 1 is outside, we do the same thing. Okay, we just ignore everything, we just complete the square for this part. Notice that the coefficient of x squared now is positive 1. So I get is x squared minus, divide by 2 is plus 5, you square is 25, you copy negative 3. So what I get here is negative x plus 5 square minus 28. Now we have to open the brackets now, okay, to put the negative 1 back, so to speak. So when you put it back, right, notice that you multiply negative 1 to this term, and you will multiply negative 1 to this term. So when you put in the negative 1, what happens here is this: because of the square, you can't do anything about this negative 1. It gets like in a way stuck, okay, down there. So it's negative x plus 5 square. Then negative 1 times negative 8 gives you positive 28. Okay, so there's one extra step, and the one extra step here is this: you have to factorize negative 1 first. Alright, I'll just give you one more example for this portion. Okay, this one's a bit more complicated, but it's still simple enough. I will give you negative x squared, okay, plus 7x minus 4. So if I want to complete the square for this expression here, first thing again, same thing, I check, is x squared positive 1? No, it's not, it's negative 1. So I do is, again, I will factorize my negative 1 first, just like above. Remember, factorize negative 1 first. So I get negative x squared minus 7x plus 4. Okay, next step is exactly the same as what we'll be doing in class. X squared minus, divide by 2, you get negative 7 over 2. You square, you get 49 over 4. You copy the plus 4 inside here, just copy down. Then we simplify everything first. We get x minus 7 over 2 square. Alright. Okay, now use is negative 33 over 4. Like this. Then same thing as above, the negative 1 will multiply in to here and multiply in to here. So what I'll get is negative x minus 7 over 2 square. Negative times negative gives me positive 33 over 4. And this completes this part on completing the square when the coefficient of x squared is not positive 1.